Look closely and you will see that this lesson will be taught by a cute little puppy dog.
Jade.
That's our office dog, Jade. So in this video, I'm going to go through SEO keyword optimization and really how to make sure that you have the right keywords on your website's service pages. So this is more catered for local businesses. This is not how to create power pages that are 5,000 words long and extremely valuable. This is just the basics of making sure that you have keyword spice on your service pages so that when people go and see your business pop up on Google Maps, you show up for more keywords because you have them on your website. So I'm going to show you how we do this for ourselves. We market to multiple niches. We do Google ads. Our company does Google ads for businesses. We do SEO and we do website design for businesses and then marketing and sales consulting as well. But what we do for ourselves, one niche that we market to is lawyers, right? So lawyers need people to manage their Google ads and internet advertising. So we have pages on our website that are tailored to that. So here's how we go about doing keyword implementation on our service pages. First, it always starts with keyword research, right? So we start with the keyword planner. We primarily target the United States. So what I did was I put our major keywords in and geographic area, okay? So then we're going to scroll down and we're going to see what keywords are the highest traffic, okay? And I know because we spend a lot on Google ads for our company, I know what keywords actually convert at the highest rates. So I'm going to factor that into my keyword implementation on the page that we're going to be optimizing in this video. So what we do here as part of our keyword analysis process is we first create this list, we export it to a Excel sheet that looks like this, okay? Zoom in. And we just keep 5 columns: keyword, monthly searches, competition, top of page bid high. Okay, so then we sort them. Now this sheet was made a while ago, so the data is different, but we sort them by monthly searches, right? And then we know what our highest traffic keywords are. So usually I'm just going to make sure that all the keywords that are 20 and above are present on our landing or on our service page on our website. So literally all I'm going to do, which I already did, is I went through and I strategically placed different buckets of keywords on our service page. So this is what they call on-page SEO. So first things first, in this header right here, I made sure the highest traffic keyword as of now, lawyer PPC, was there. Okay, so lawyer PPC is the highest traffic keyword, as you can see right here. Okay, and we know it works from our Google Ads campaigns. Okay, that's also in the meta description of our campaign, of our page. Okay, next in traffic is law firm PPC. So we're literally just going right down the list. Practice area specific law firm PPC campaigns tailored to your geography. Okay, next we have PPC for lawyers. Okay, which was another one that worked really well on our Google Ads campaign. You can see here it's second in traffic from this old report that we pulled. So we threw that in right here, PPC for lawyers. Now the mistake a lot of people make when they're doing on-page SEO is they miss valuable real estate for keywords. There's nothing bad about throwing keyword spice on your service pages, okay, just to get it to rank on Google Maps. Some people would just put here, not just PPC, this is much, much more. But that's an opportunity for you to say PPC for lawyers. Just by adding those 2 words, there's an increased chance that Google's going to rank you for that keyword, okay? Then we have plenty of companies do PPC, very few do law firm PPC well. So that's the second time we mentioned that, okay? So then let's see what we got here. I didn't do anything else for this. Tried to keep it human. Good. Then we have right here, target the exact cases you want. So this, our copywriter who wrote this didn't put lawyer PPC agency on the page. So what it said before I went in and edited it and did on-page SEO, it just said, we focus on landing new quality cases instead of quantity of trash phone calls, okay? And what I added was right here, because it threw in a very high intent keyword for us, which is lawyer PPC agency, okay? So I threw in, we are a targeted, insert keyword, lawyer PPC agency that focuses on landing new quality cases, okay? So the important thing here, again, is we're not wasting real estate, okay, with these little sections of the page. Then right here, I strategically put the word Google AdWords for attorneys, which is a very different keyword from PPC, okay? So we need to tell Google that this also means AdWords for attorneys, okay? So then we have over here, drag my photo all over the place. Okay, 100% focus on cases, not clicks. We don't care about how many clicks you get. We care about how many clients you land from your, and this is funny, again, this is another example of wasted real estate. We don't care about how many clicks you get. We care about how many clients you land. And it just stopped there. Then I just added a little clause at the end of the sentence from your Google Ads campaigns, okay? So now we've hit the keyword Google Ads, Google AdWords, PPC, lawyer PPC, law firm PPC. So now the page includes the word law firm, lawyer, okay, PPC, Google AdWords, Google Ads, okay? Now we have keyword spice on the page, okay? You can see the spice popping up. Okay. Our approach to law firm PPC, again, this is one of the highest traffic keywords, so we include it multiple times on the page. And then our Google Ads for lawyers process starts with in-depth keyword and competitor research. Better understand how we can make your Google AdWords campaign dominate your area, okay? So down here, I didn't touch any of these ones just because I wanted to keep it as natural as possible. We break down your law firm PPC. Your law firm's PPC campaign. Sorry, it's just a little edit. PPC campaign performance in an easy, digestible way for you to understand. Okay, so then down here, lawyer PPC services. Now, this is another key, okay? I threw the word services in there, okay? And I also threw the word agent